Welcome back to Green Zone. As the days grow shorter and temperatures drop, it's time to prepare your plants for winter. In this video, we'll share simple and effective tips to help your garden survive and even thrive through the cold months. Winter can be harsh on plants. Cold winds, frost, and reduced sunlight slow down growth and can damage leaves, roots, and stems. But with a few protective steps, you can keep your green friends safe. Start by identifying which plants need the most care. Tropical plants, potted herbs, and young saplings are especially vulnerable to frost damage. Move these indoors or to a sheltered spot. Indoor spaces such as sunrooms, greenhouses, or even windowsills can be perfect winter homes. Make sure there's enough light and proper ventilation to prevent mold or fungal growth. Next, cover your soil with mulch, straw, or dry leaves. This natural insulation keeps roots warm and helps retain moisture. A layer of about 2 to 3 inches is usually enough. Water your plants before the first frost hits, but avoid overwatering during winter. Plants need less water when growth slows down. Keep the soil slightly moist, never soggy. For outdoor plants, use frost cloths, garden fleece, or burlap wraps. These simple covers trap heat and protect leaves from freezing temperatures and windburn. Winter sunlight is weak and short-lived. Rotate your indoor plants every few days so each side gets enough light. If sunlight is limited, consider using grow lights to maintain healthy growth. Before winter sets in fully, prune dead or diseased branches and remove fallen leaves. This prevents pests and diseases from spreading and helps your plants focus on surviving the cold.
By following these simple steps, your garden will stay healthy and ready to bloom again in spring. Thanks for watching Green Zone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help more garden lovers protect their plants this winter.